Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Oh my goodness, I don't feel like waking up. It's kind of cold. When is today? It's on a Tuesday, and I just woke up. Okay, I woke up a long time ago and then I came back to sleep. Yeah, that's how my days usually go sometimes. Sometimes I would wake up and really shower early, but sometimes this is me. So I'm just waking up and I want to go make breakfast, and I want you to go and make breakfast with me, and then maybe we'll go to town. Then yesterday I had a pretty good surprise. Not really a surprise, but it was a surprise. I met one of my YouTubers. She's also a YouTuber, and her name I'm gonna leave a link of her YouTube page, and she was so lovely. It was lovely meeting her, and she was like, I saw you one time and I thought I would reach out to you and see if we can do something. And I was like, yeah, I'm good for it. I'm good. We can do something, definitely. So she was thinking we will do a haul, but right now I'm not thinking of going to buy things, or rather I don't even have the time, because there's just so much on my plate, so that won't be happening. That means we either do a sit down, which I am pretty sure I'll have maybe time next week, but not this week because I'm super swamped. And then vlogging is not easy, y'all. Vlogging is not easy on a daily. Yeah, looking for content to post on a daily. Where I honestly respect those people who've been doing vlogmas, because it's hectic, especially when you have so much to do. You have kids, you have things to do in the house, things to do in town. Like on a daily, it's so hard to do vlog myself because I don't carry my camera with me everywhere, and I don't vlog everything. So it's hard, but I'm going to do it. Nilijiambia, if you have to get out of your comfort zone, you have to do this, because you promised, you made a promise, and when I make a promise, I don't like breaking that promise. So we are going to do it however it comes. No matter what, we will do it as we said we will. And then me, I'm not do I say, I'm not that outgoing, so content yangu, it's what you see, guys. The only places I go, it's either shopping. If it's not shopping, you will not find me in restaurants having dinner. I won't vlog that. Yes, I go, but I won't vlog that because it's either with my husband. Yeah, it's either with my husband or no one else. My sisters, nope, hardly. We either meet at their homes or when we are taking children out to have fun, which is how do I say it? It doesn't happen all the time. Yeah, that's that's the right word. So this is what you get, you guys. Me in bed, me waking up, me going to either shop, and I want to go shop for the kids in Italy. It will be in one of the vlogmas, so I hope you will be watching. Yeah, so this is my morning. Right now it's 8. I had woken up when my daughter was preparing and when my husband was preparing also, and then I came back to bed. So I've slept for like 30 minutes. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So let me wake up and go brush my teeth, go make breakfast, and then shower, and then go to town. That's how my day will go. But me going to town, I might not show you. So I'll either catch you later when I come back home. I will just see how the day goes. Sindo. Like, let me go and brush my teeth. Oh my gosh, I look so like I've rested so well, which is why my face looks like, oh, it's so like puffy. Do you call it? Even on, gosh, and my lips too. It's like I did a lip job. But it's life. It's life. Much better, much better. And then I don't usually brush my teeth with tap water because it's salty. I always have fresh water in a cup for me to brush in the morning, or for us to brush our teeth in the morning. So yeah, that's something that you should consider doing if you are living in saltwater places. Always have a cup of fresh water to brush your teeth in the morning. And then my Listerine is finished, so I need to get another one. I usually gargle that after brushing my teeth. Okay. So to make breakfast, I will brush. This is mine. This is my daughter's. Hey guys, so this is what I'm wearing. It's this top. It reaches chini your hips. This top makes me feel like I'm a vibe, yo. So let me put on a necklace and some bracelets because I feel like I'm too empty. And then I don't even know what shoes I'm going to wear, and then I'm wearing a jeans. So just a minute. Oh my gosh, I haven't worn this chain in what feels like forever. I wore it last when I think I did a video kitambo over 6 months ago, I believe. And then this is the perfume I'm gonna put on. It's floral. Oh. I met someone who told me that I smell rich. He has that vibe, y'all. This perfume, if you want it, you can go and purchase from the shop. I'll leave in the description box. It's the Idol Lancome perfume. So yeah, that's how I'm looking. My bracelets, y'all, Faith doesn't have these bracelets anymore. They are not available. My chain, how do I look? So let me catch you later. Oh my gosh guys, I am so tired. I just got back home, and today I met another subscriber. Thank you so much. You don't know how happy I am to meet you guys. Yeah, it feels so good to meet either of you guys and tell me you watch my videos. So that is really amazing, and it touches my heart, makes me not even think of quitting or anything of the sort. So I'm really grateful for you. She told me her name is Candy. I think she has a YouTube channel, it's what she told me. So thank you so much, Candy. Let me give you a shout out. Yay. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I want to encourage anyone who's thinking of quitting. She told me she's really a young YouTuber, so I was once there. I'm really young, by the way, still, but if you look at my numbers, they have kind of grown a bit to, we are right now at 2212. Yeah, 2222. I'm grateful for that number. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed and is watching this video right now. So anyway, I want to encourage anyone who has a YouTube channel and is trying or is really struggling to grow. I would tell them to keep doing them and not to quit at any given moment or time, because when you give up, then that's it. When you keep on going, believe you me, more doors will keep on opening. That means more subscribers, that means more content and all that. So do not by any chance give up. Continue doing you, and you will get to where you want to be. Me, I mostly just want to help people. That's my main goal. Help you, encourage you, give you something to keep on, you know, coming back for. If it's encouragement, if you're about to give up and you feel like you need someone to uplift you, I want this channel to be that. So yeah, keep doing you. Me, I do it for fun, to pass my time, I would say, and because I believe everyone has a calling, and this is mine, y'all. So if you have any topics that you want me to touch on, please leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to to talk, or yeah, to talk about them. So if you're feeling discouraged, please don't give up just yet. There was a time I was stuck at around 500 and something. I couldn't see any growth by any means. I didn't see any growth until I think around 3 months, when I reached around 800, and then another like 2 or so months that I reached 1,000, and I had to put out a lot of videos. So yeah, I would encourage you to keep on going. I didn't quit, so don't quit on yourself. Do not quit on yourself, because when you quit and you do not know where this YouTube career would take you, don't do that to yourself. At least you owe it to you owe yourself that much to not quit on yourself. So keep on going, keep on doing you. The right people will find you, believe you me. The right people, the right community will find you, and it's going to be, yay, I did it, I did it. So keep on going, Candy, keep on going. So yeah, let me just shower right now and go have food. I'm thinking of having ugali and fish, so that's what I'm going to eat tonight. No video for that today because you've seen a recipe of that. I guess this is it for this video, guys, so I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace, bye bye, good night, and God bless you. And thank you for subscribing if you haven't and you've gotten to this part or to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Subscribe down below, comment down below, do all that good stuff, and I really appreciate it. Comment, your comments are really welcome. So yeah, I'll catch you later, guys. Bye bye, peace.